Welcome back to another video. Today we have another video of me doing quarantine or just staying at home. I'm keeping myself busy between work. So we're going to be washing the truck today. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more Turbos to deals. Pretty much it's been quite interesting finding stuff to do at home. I haven't been putting a lot of videos out there because most of my videos are from the stores or visiting the stores, Home Depot, Lowe's, and Harbor Freight. So you guys haven't seen a lot of uploads. I do tool reviews. I'm running out of tools. I can't really go buy any tools because the stores are pretty much in quarantine, or everybody's in quarantine. So here we are washing the truck. As you guys know, I do have a Silverado. This is my truck. I'm putting the foam cannon. This is the $15 Amazon foam cannon on a Ryobi pressure washer. You guys could hook this up to Portland pressure washer with this Ryobi tip, and pretty much works like that. Works really nice. I know it does seem like a lot of soap, but it's not. It's only 2 ounces of soap. If you guys think it's a lot of soap, it's not. It's just the way it foams up. Really like this foam cannon. It just makes it way easier, less scrubbing. What you do is just pretty much put the foam on, and the foam will do the work for you. It'll do the scrubbing. If your truck's not too dirty, it'll clean it up right up just with the rinse. But if it's too dirty, you might just need a couple of rinses and maybe wipe it down a little bit with the microfiber. But yeah, this does remove and soaks in and removes all the dirt on the grime that's on the paint, and it's safe for wax. And what I use is the Chemical Guys snow foam. That's the one that I use, the green one. As you guys see, I'm using microfiber towels to wipe the truck down basically, and I used to few them. I use some on the top part of the vehicle and some on the bottom part of the vehicle, so it just depends on how dirty the truck is, either 2 or 3 or 4 depending on how dirty it is. I try not to scratch the vehicle with the dirt, scrub it everywhere. So I use a microfiber for one section, and then all you could do is just rinse it or rewash those microfiber and reuse them. So you guys see I'm doing the rinse on the truck. Pretty nice. I gotta say, power washer helps you not scrub so much. It does help you a lot, not to be on your knees scrubbing. It does take most of the dirt off by itself if your truck's not too dirty. So having a pressure washer really does help. And also, if you do have a gas pressure washer, make sure you be careful with it. This is an electric one. Electric one is plenty for a vehicle. Still, you don't want to, you don't want to get one of those narrow tips and damage your vehicle with the, flipping up the paint. But yeah, this is pretty safe. Make sure you use a white spade to wash the truck or the car. It does have plenty of power, cleaning power. As you guys see, these tires do get dirty, and you don't even need to scrub them. Basically, all you have to do is just put the pressure washer in there, and it'll scrub them for you. Pretty much, as you guys see there, it's this video is I filmed this video a few weeks back. So just to let you guys know, if you guys see my truck different, yeah, this video was filmed a few weeks back. I just didn't upload it. I haven't had a chance to upload it. But yeah, it's basically another day of quarantine at home. Just thought I want to share this with you guys. Hopefully we all go through this quick and stay safe out there. That's it for today. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more Turbos to deals, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.